Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khenar and today's topic is collection in Java, collection framework in Java, and date is 6 January 2022. So what is collection in Java? The collection in Java, we can say it as a collection of an object. Collection in Java is a framework that provides group of object. Also we can call as the collection in Java is a framework that provide architecture to store and manipulate the group of object. Java collection can achieve all the operation which can insertion, deletion, sorting, searching, manipulation and deletion. Java collection means single unit of object. Java collection provides many uh, interfaces and classes. The interfaces of an Java are set, list, queue, and queue, and classes are array list, hash map, array list, linked list, hash set, link hash set, and tree set, and vectors. So uh, what is a framework? Framework means which provides the ready-made architecture. It which represent the set of classes and interfaces. And what is collection framework? Collection framework represents a unified architecture for storing and manipulating a group of objects. It has interface and its implementation, that is classes and algorithms. uh, uh, collection uh, collection framework can be we can found out in java.util.package and contains the all classes and interfaces. Method of collection interfaces, there are many methods which are declared in the collection interfaces. They are first method is public boolean add. It is used to insert element in the collection. Public boolean add all means it is used to insert the specified collection element in the collection. Public boolean remove object element. It is used to delete or remove an element from an collection. um, remove all used to remove the element of an specified collection from the collection list. Next is a default boolean remove. It is used to delete all the element of collection that satisfy the specified index or collection in collection. Next is public boolean public inside. It returns the total number of element in that collection. Public void clear, it removes the total number of elements from collection. Next is public boolean content. It used to search an element in an collection list. Next is public iterator. It returns an iterator. Public object to array, it converts the collection into array. Public boolean is empty, to check the collection is empty. uh, Next is iterator interface. Iterator interface provides the facility of iterating element in forward direction only. Method of iterators are boolean hash next, boolean object next, public void remove. Iterable interfaces. Iterable interfaces is the root interfaces for all collection classes. The collection interface extend the iterable interface, and therefore all subclasses of collection interface also implement the iterable interface. It contains only the abstract method, that is iterator in generic class T and iterator. Collection interface. What is a collection interface? Collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all classes in the collection framework. It declares the method that every collection will have. We can say that collection interface can be it builds the foundation which collects the in which collection framework depends. Some method of collection interfaces are boolean add, boolean add all, void clear, and which are implemented by the subclasses of collection interface. Next is list interface. List interface is the child interface of collection interface. It is a list type data structure in which we can store the order collection of objects. It can have duplicate values also. Next is array list. What is an array list? Array list class implement the list interface. It is used as a dynamic array to store the duplicate element. Next is linked list. Linked list implement the collection interface. It used for doubly linked list internally to store the elements in an array in a list. Next is a vector. Vector uses a dynamic array to store the data elements. Next is a stack. Stack is the subclass of vector. It implements the last in first out data structure. Next is queue interface. Queue interface maintains the first in first out order. Next is set interface. Set interface in Java, present in java.util.packages. Has set class implements the set interfaces. It represents the collection that uses a hash table for storing elements in hash set. Next is tree set. Java tree set class implement the set interface that uses a tree for storage. That's all about today's topic, collection framework. Thank you.